contracted form of verb to be. I am, I'm. You are, you're. He is, he's. She is, she's. It is, it's. We are, we're. You are, you're. They are, they're. Negative. I am not, I'm not. You are not, you're not, you aren't. He is not, he's not, he isn't. She is not, she's not, she isn't. It is not, it's not, it isn't. We are not, we're not, we aren't. You are not, you're not, you aren't. They are not, they're not, they aren't. Question, answer with auxiliary to be. Are you in class? Yes, I am. Is he in class? Yes, he is. Are they here? Yes, they are. Is she here? Yes, she is. Are you at home? No, I am not. Is it nice? No, it is not. Are we in class? No, we are not. Is he here? No, he is not. Are you happy? No, I am not.